What's up guys, this is PDP Tutorials and you are welcome to the PDP show. So today I'm gonna feature 5 new apps that you must have in your phone, and these new apps will help you a lot. So what this app basically does is it's a video player and an audio player, so it displays all your video files and audio files in your phone like this, and you could play any file. And if you go in the settings and in the list, you can see it has all these sort of themes. So if I choose the dark one, if I go back, it takes effect immediately. So basically it gives control over its interface, and you can customize it and fully control everything about it. So the second thing about that is that you can, let me change the theme a little bit so that I can see better. Okay, so the next feature is that you can play any video in the background by enabling this option right here called background play, and also enable this one option right here. It's already enabled, you don't need to enable that. And to use this app as an audio player, if this option is not enabled, you need to enable this option. And so basically you can play any video file or audio file in the background, and this app has a lot of features like adding subtitles and advanced hardware utilization. So basically I recommend this app. Install this app. So the second app down the list is Glasswire. So Glasswire is basically an app for monitoring your internet data usage. So if you have a limited plan of data usage, this app is for you. This app enables you to monitor your data second by second. As you can see right here, it displays every second's data with a graph, with a visual graph. I'm gonna change the time span to 1 hour, and as you see, from in the last 1 hour I have used like a 1.5 GB of data on mobile. And if I see that in 5 minutes, it's I haven't used any data in 5 minutes, 30 minutes. So you see it displays all the data in the last. So basically it can give you a whole coverage of your usage, and you can set limits on how much data you want to use. It also has these beautiful themes. You can choose most of them are paid ones, and like this one is free, this one is free, and I'm gonna apply I can apply any one of them. So it's a good app for monitoring which app is for example, it also has these notification alerts. So it gives you a notification to tell you that this app has set up a connection to the internet, and in case you install a virus app or something like that, you know that you have to turn the internet immediately off when you get these sort of notifications. So it also has this firewall to block apps from accessing internet, and it's an amazing app. It's incredibly easy to set up, and as you see, it shows these notifications and live sort of internet speed data in this notification, and it's very So the next app is 1.1.1, which is an encryption app. It encrypts your internet connection in a way that your ISP or your internet service provider cannot see what you are communicating over the internet. So if you are worried about privacy and security, you don't need to worry about that. You can just install this app, and it has a very simple interface. You can see It's a one-touch setup, and it's a very simple and intuitive interface. You just need to turn this option on, and as it says, it will turn on the VPN, and your ISP won't be able to see what you are communicating over the internet. So very simple app. I recommend this app. The next up app is Volume Booster. This app is incredibly simple. Just install it, and if your phone has speakers that do not produce very loud sounds, this app is for you. So you just need to open this app, and you can boost it up to 60%. And if you go in the settings, you can also change it and further boost it. Maximum from here, you can change it to 100%, and you can even change it almost double the amount of voice your phone was previously producing. So it's a beautiful app. I recommend this app. So the next step app is called Move to SD Card. So this app is for those people who have storage problems, and often they need to move apps to the SD card, but that takes a lot of energy. So this app basically does is that I don't have an SD card right now, but for example, it just shows them in list, and you can literally select anything from here, and there is an option right here to move the apps to the SD card. So I highly recommend this for those people who want to free their storage and do it in an easy way. So that's it for today. If you like the video, please hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section so that I can know the feedback and improve my videos. And if you like the video, please subscribe and for further videos, because I'm gonna be posting a lot of new videos and you don't want to miss those.